It's harvest time at Waterman Farm. We have so many delicious fruits, vegetables, and herbs available right now.
And I'm going to show you how to use them on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Jenny, this all looks great. What do you have in store for us today?
Well, we're going to start with one of the most popular homegrown vegetables for many, tomatoes. And we're going to make a tomato bruschetta. Can you hand me one of those tomatoes?
You bet. So the first one we have here is an heirloom variety called Rainbow. Very sweet,
Nice.
Lots of great flavor.
And I'm just going to chop it up coarsely for our bruschetta.
Jenny, check out this onion. I grew this myself under the seed starting station in my office. It is an heirloom variety called Red Long of Florence. This is a fresh eating onion. It is not a storage onion. This is one that you harvest and you eat just like you're doing it now. You can use it in a salad. It's a little milder than some of the onions you're going to get from the store, but still has a ton of onion flavor.
And next we'll need a clove of garlic.
Here you go, Jenny. This is the garlic that we planted last fall. It grew over the winter and I harvested it in July.
I'll peel and mince this garlic, and then I'll add the garlic to the bowl with the tomato and onion. And next we'll add some basil.
Basil and tomatoes are that classic taste of summer.
Now that we've chopped all our vegetables for this salad, I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Finally, we'll stir everything together.
Jenny, that looks dynamite. All those colors are amazing. I cannot wait to try it.
Well, hand me a slice of bread and you can give it a try. Just gonna scoop a little bit on top.
Thank you. This looks great. Jenny, that was delicious. What's for dessert?
We are going to make a peach fruit leather using a dehydrator. And if you don't have a dehydrator, you could do this in your oven. Start by slicing the peaches. This fruit leather will be just peaches, nothing added to it, no added sugar. What happens when you dehydrate fruit or any type of food is you concentrate all of the flavor as the water evaporates, so that natural sweetness shines through. And I am going to do my best to peel the fruit as well. It doesn't have to be peeled perfectly. To make one fruit leather, I'll use about 6 peaches. Once the peaches are cut and peeled, you just put them right into the blender. The only thing I will add to the blender for this fruit leather is some ascorbic acid. This is powdered vitamin C, and it helps to keep our light colored fruit, like peaches and apples, from browning once it's been cut. And now we're going to blend these peaches to a liquid. Then we're going to pour them into a tray on the dehydrator. Set it to about 140 degrees. And this will take anywhere from 6 to 8, maybe even up to 12 hours to completely dry. After 12 hours, it's gonna feel sticky, but there won't be any indentation when you press on the top. Would you like to try some?
I can't wait. This is really, really good. I like it.
If you want these recipes or other ideas for your summer fruits and vegetables, visit go.osu.edu/extension today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.